Host, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's question might hit a little close to home for some of you Venmo veterans out there. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to transfer money to your Venmo account, but your debit card was mysteriously missing? Maybe it fell victim to the laundry monster, or perhaps it's chilling at the bottom of your gym bag. Host pulls out a crumpled receipt dramatically. Host, whatever the reason, a missing debit card can be a real pain, especially when you're trying to split the bill with friends or pay back that urgent loan to your roommate. Host winks, we've all been there. Music fades out. Host, but fear not, my friends. Because unlike some other money transfer apps, Pointed Look, Venmo actually allows you to bypass the debit card altogether and transfer funds straight from your trusty bank account. Host throws crumpled receipt in the trash. That's right, folks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo bank transfers, answering all your burning questions and showing you exactly how to keep the money flowing, even when your plastic is MIA. Transition sound effect. Host, so let's get down to brass tacks. Can you transfer money from your bank account to Venmo? Absolutely. Venmo offers two main ways to add funds from your bank: instant transfers using your debit card and standard bank transfers. While the debit card option is undeniably convenient, Host snaps fingers, funds appear in your Venmo account right away. It can sometimes come with a small fee. Host, but the bank transfer option? That's your wallet-friendly hero. It might take a few business days for the funds to appear in your Venmo balance, but hey, there are no additional charges involved. So, if you're planning ahead and don't need the money instantly, a bank transfer is the way to go. Transition sound effect. Host, alright, convinced that bank transfers are the secret weapon you never knew you needed? Host raises eyebrows. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to make sure your bank account is linked to your Venmo account. This is a one-time setup, and it's pretty straightforward. Just open the Venmo app, tap on your profile picture, and navigate to the settings section. From there, you should see an option to add bank or card. Follow the on-screen prompts, enter your bank details securely, and voila! Your bank account is now linked to your Venmo account. Host holds up phone and taps the screen dramatically. Host, now, onto the fun part, adding those sweet bank transfer funds. Head back to your profile section and tap on the balance option. You'll see a handy button that says Add Money. Host points at the phone screen, click that bad boy, and you'll be presented with the option to choose your funding source. This is where you'll select the bank account you just linked. Transition sound effect. Host, next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, bank transfers might take a few business days, so factor that in when planning your Venmo transactions. Once you've entered the amount, double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Nobody wants a Venmo oopsie, right? Host winks. After you're happy with the details, confirm the transfer, and that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your bank account to your Venmo balance. Host leans back and smiles. Host, see? Easy as pie. Now you can split that restaurant bill with your friends, pay back your roommate, Host winks again, or finally settle that bet you lost. Host shrugs playfully, all without needing your debit card. Transition sound effect. Host, before we wrap things up, a quick heads up. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your bank account to cover the transfer amount. Venmo won't be happy if your bank transfer bounces. Host shakes head playfully. Also, keep in mind that there might be daily or weekly limits on how much you can transfer via bank transfer. These limits can vary depending on your bank and Venmo's policies, so it's always a good idea to check beforehand.